At TEPS, we are thrilled to pioneer AI-led innovation within our AMS business, recognizing the pivotal role of technology in driving business success. We are committed to ensuring seamless IT operations. Our mantra is simple: we manage IT while you focus on a seamless digital experience that propels your business forward. Application Managed Services is more than just a solution, it's an integral part of your IT strategy. At TEPS, we transcend traditional approach by incorporating cutting-edge AI solutions. Our focus extends to overcoming performance challenges, monitoring transactions, and ensuring the smooth functioning of APIs and middleware. From incident management to language layer support, our AI-powered AMS is crafted to elevate service delivery value, ultimately boosting your business productivity. Boasting extensive AMS expertise spanning diverse industries, our next-generation application maintenance and support empowers enterprises to enhance end-user satisfaction, reduce costs, and ensure secure and optimized technology utilization. Join us on this thrilling journey where we unlock AI's value for automated AMS. Let's partner to harness the power of artificial intelligence to redefine and elevate your application management experience.